I think my neighbor has stopped drilling now, so I can probably talk now. I need to see if my mic actually works. Haven't used it for so long. Oh, sweet, it works. Nice. I have the playback on the other screen, but it was way off, so I was like, huh, it doesn't work. But thank you for confirming. But yeah, oh. I mean, a record player and some Warhammer stuff, that is pretty nice. Do you paint them yourself, or do you have them magically painted by someone else? And are you a pro when it comes to painting? I mean, I'm not religious either, and I guess Christmas is quite a religious holiday, but I mean, it's just nice having everyone there. I mean, it doesn't have to be religious in any way. It can just be a chill time to, you know, see friends and family. Yeah, I mean, it's all part of the fun. And I mean, painting is fun, you know. Even though you don't have to be good at it, it can be fun. It's like, just look at the art for my game, right? It's all just cubes stacked on top of each other in a program. And I just do it for fun. Maybe one day someone professional might take over, but for now, you know, just do it for funsies. But I've seen so many YouTube videos about painting Warhammers, it's unbelievable. You have all the coatings and you can make them like shiny or whatever. So next year you should ask for one of those, what is it, like a paintbrush, or the one where you like spray the color on instead of painting it with a pencil. Maybe you have one of those fancy things. Yeah, it's a bit like, I guess, maybe not. I was about to say like, it's a bit like painting walls, but maybe it's not. I just remember like when painting walls, you need to prep the wall. Like if you have basically concrete behind, you need to put up some middle between thingling. And then you can like paint after that. But I guess painting Warhammers is quite different than painting walls. And I guess you don't need like a fancy primer. Maybe that's more of a, you know, painting a car type of thing. Oh, that's nice. So you get the correct primer. You get the fancy type of primer. They upsell you, and then you have no budget left for your family. I mean, I remember I used to do like these miniature models, like building airplanes or building like tanks and stuff. Oh, those are like super fun. You just sat for hours with glue everywhere. It's like being 5 again. I'm sorry, Saber, but I'm not Norwegian. That's the shitty neighbor country, okay? We're not Norwegians here. We're Swedes. Huh. I just came to think of a thing. Okay, so now when it reaches here, I wonder if I can just trigger the physics instead. I think that would work. I should try that. That might be cute, actually. But Lego is so fun to buy, you know? You can just have stacks and stacks of Lego. You can build a city. I mean, who doesn't want to build the Lego city? I just remember being a kid, being at Legoland, and you can buy all the... and they have like a... what do you call it? So, like when you buy candy, there are 2 types of candy, right? At least here, right? You got the candy in the bag, and then you got the candy where you can just grab it from like a bunch of shelves, mix and match. Oh, whatever. They have the same thing at Legoland for Legos. Oh, that's really cool. Lego is such a nice thing. I remember like when I was a kid, Lego Technic came out, and you could build yourself cars and motors and whatever. Yeah, that was some good times. Good times. I think you can just do trigger physics. What do I do here? And then I do a full removal. Should work. Get world. Then we can jump in here and we can remove the physics boundaries. Oh, that's so nice. But poor your dad, I guess, because Lego, that ain't cheap, man. That is hella expensive. I just remember it was like in Danish crowns, maybe like 2,000 Danish crowns, which maybe is like $200 or something. I just remember being there and I saw this like huge Star Wars set. Oh. I wonder if I can... I think this is the mesh. No gravity. Well, super expensive, but I mean, looks amazing. Can a character step on top of it? No, no collisions. So if we have no collisions. Ah, okay. It didn't look as fun as I thought it would look. I kind of want it to be a way of it like falling into the void. But I need to put some more work into that. Okay, let's put it on the back burner. And take that back, man. There is no crappy Lego City store, okay? All the Lego City stuff is amazing. And I mean, the commercials for it were golden. Yeah, I guess like what I could do is I could also like trigger the physics to remove remove the physics from the box so it just falls. So it has no collisions. But I kind of want it to be like a skip, which means I need to do some more work. So what I could do is, or if I could draw on the screen, that would be perfect. But what I could do is I could let's pause, bring up. Okay. So what I could do is I could trigger the physics, and then I can add a push in that direction. So it goes like whee, and then you disable all collisions for it and just let it fall. That would probably work. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's the resale value on stuff is bananas. If they're in a good condition and it's like, I don't know, not opened also. But man, you know, when you're a kid, you want to play with the stuff. You want to manhandle it. You shouldn't just save it to sell it later. I mean, that's what stocks are for, you know. And you would probably make a better return if, let's say, you bought any tech stock back then. That would be way more than £300 on eBay. Oh yeah. Oh, I mean, I loved Spotlight. It's a great movie. But also, yeah, I mean, the priests, man, they do priesty stuff. But I'm glad you liked the movie. I watched Das Boot not too long ago. It's like it's a German, what do you call it? It's from the 1980s. It's a German U-boat movie about like a Nazi U-boat during the war. That's like 3 hours of Germans gelling in a metal tube. Great movie. Don't watch it. It's a way too long and way too old for most people. So if you can't take like a really, really slow movie, then that's not for you. Hello, how you doing? So I need to find the correct side here. So let's say we have something that is to the right, then side 1 will be up, side 2 will be down, Donka donka. Switch to an Indian accent. Ouch. I can't do that without sounding incredibly racist. So I will skip that. I mean, I went to an Indian wedding, so I feel like I have the I have the correct merits to do the dancing at least. Okay. So seeing these comments sending me down a spiral of why not UML comments is the standard. RRR XML. I mean, I just need to. I usually have something to make me think, like to make me not forget. I mean, I think aren't like XML comments in C# are fairly standard. In C++, probably not. I think they comment. Kinda. Not XML, but I mean the Unreal team, they comment kinda C, whatever. I don't know. Comments are nice, but garbage if they're enforced, because people then just write bad comments. I mean, honestly, at work, we we don't use too much AI overall, but like just creating comments, that's pretty nice. You just, when you autofill, you have some like autocomplete whatever, and then you're like, just write this comment, blah blah blah, do something, blah blah blah, and then yeah, it just creates a comment if you need a comment. Otherwise, like, yeah, exactly. Sometimes it just goes crazy. What I also like is when people do, let's say you have like some complex class, and people are like, I made X thing do Y, and then like because said did not work. Then you know, like, okay, this person wasn't an idiot, they tried it, and it might be unintuitive, but it's nice to know that. I mean, I think it's about how you do it and what you do. And yeah, there are some amazing tutorials that have saved me. It's like, okay, I need to do one Docker thing, and and some Indian guru has just solved it for me. Yeah, exactly. Just getting people to do basic stuff is nice. Okay, so basically I have get inverted directions, But I need to have like a get other, I don't know what to call it. It's like I can just do okay. So if we have a side that is valid, we need to check that yeah, of course. Like as a learning resource, it's great. As a research resource, it's great. Like, hey, I need to know, let's say you're looking up, I don't know, how did the Titanic sink or something. And you're like, what caused the Titanic to sink? And then you get some references and you can just look at those references, which is great. It's like using Wikipedia in the early days, right? So everything used to be very weird with Wikipedia. Not everything was correct in the early days. It has gotten way better over time. But in the early days, you just brought up an article, you looked at the references it was referencing, and you're done. I didn't know that India and Nepal had the same accents. That's very interesting. This can be the most edgy thing, but do Pakistanis and Indians and Nepalese people have the same accent? I mean, you guys are kind of fighting over the same area, so... Or at least the Pakistanis and Indians are doing. But I wonder if they have the same accent. That would be cool to know. Have I already solved this issue? Okay, so if... Oh yeah, Scottish people are super chill. You just drink Guinness and chill. Or maybe it's the Irish that are big on Guinness. I don't know. I love Guinness. Way too much. Okay, so I have one side. I mean, gin is nice. Rum is better. I drank this. Let's see, it's called a Reise, maybe. I am 20. Nothing. I drank this France, real, whatever. And it's, they have a bunch of different ones, but I think it was the XO or something. It just tastes like candy, man. It's white rum. I think it's like 40% or something, and it just tastes like candy. It's delicious. How do I find out in the easiest way if something is pointing towards me? If something is up, it needs to be down. Oh. I love that my neighbor's drilling. I wonder if you can hear it. Ah, yeah, the drilling, yeah. I don't know, I can't blame them. It's a new building, you need to put up your stuff. It's in the middle of the day. What can you do? What can you do? Okay, so I need to know if something is pointing towards me, which means, is there a... So if there's an adjacent side and can just create a new get pointing sides, I guess. Because then I know. I just realized that I already solved this. So basically, if I do then I have no clue how to pronounce it, but Slivovica, the Serbian drink, that just feels like pure liquor. It's that just makes you cry. Okay, cool. It works. I'm just an idiot. I already solved the issue. Oh no, why did you reject your message? I wonder if I can see it anyways. Channel activity. Oh yeah, I can see it. I can't hide. Bean and depth. It looked like a cute game. Doesn't look like a game I would play, but it looks cute. I mean, I don't care about typos. Okay, it's you're on the internet. I can say that I do not recommend it, but if you ever get the chance, you should really try Beska Droppar, it's called. It's it will make your like face do things. It tastes really, really bad. Like the worst. But hey, it's you know, a thing to try. No, no, no. It shouldn't be 130 pounds per bottle. It should be like, I don't know. It should be like 25 pounds per bottle-ish. Nice. I mean, I love parallax systems. They're super nice. You can create so much fun with it, especially for mobile games. You can make a lot of fun things like tilting your phone, and then you get to experience the parallax. And I've seen some amazing shaders by people who basically you have a card game, and then you tilt the card, and you have this like nice parallax effect with the card, the item in the card, and then a background. This will do. I need to do the same thing for the belt. Currently, I'm making a factory game. So I've been trying to like condense it down and make some new stuff. So you have the lovely grass. Then can paint on the grass. Yeah, I do. I'm a developer at an undisclosed company. I hate my neighbors. They really need to stop drilling. It's so annoying. It used to be a AAA company. Now I work for a startup. I don't know. I thought about making the grass grow back. I don't know. Oh, that's super nice. You learn so much. You learn so much from internships. The fun thing about this grass is, so it's a instanced mesh with all the grass, so I can like pick it away. I think there is a better way of doing it. Probably like using a texture and then painting like terrain on it. But I don't know. I just went for an instance mesh. I just map it up to my grid, and then you just remove and add the grass as you need it. I don't know. I find it okay. I think it's cute. And I want to create like multiple islands, and then I will see if the grass thing actually works, or if it will destroy performance. Who knows? What is a Mern stack developer? Mern stack. Aha. Ah, okay. Now I understand what a Mern stack is. Never heard the expression Mern before. Mongo Express React and Node. Huh. Yeah, I mean, and the game dev market today is harder to break into than it used to be. So if you have an internship or whatever, then yeah. And yeah, game dev is game dev. Yeah, game dev takes time. If it wasn't for, I know, I find it fun. That's why I do it, you know, as a job, and then I get home and I do it for fun too. But if I hadn't, if I had a less restrictive contract at work, then I would probably also do more web stuff, just building things. Can be really, really fun to do. But now I just build stuff for fun, you know. I think the last thing I built was, so I need to, like, I always forget like cleaning certain things in the apartment. So like defrosting the fridge. So I just built an app that reminds me, like on a cadence, like every half year, like now you should probably defrost the fridge. Or like, hey, make sure to look behind the, I don't know, the washer dryer stuff every half year or something. And just clean up the dust and stuff. Okay, now I get to the time where I need to do like a huge refactor, and I need to do some other stuff. But it was fun. Nice to be back. See you another time. Toodles.